back to my channel, Bursts of Sunshine. I'm Ashley, and today we're going to do something kind of sort of Easter-y themed, and it's also a dessert because Mama loves dessert. So today we are going to be making, as you've seen, if you've seen the title, you clicked on this video already, you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen my intro, we are going to make some cupcakes that look like little birds' nests, I guess. How's that Easter-y? These are like the easiest cute cupcakes ever. They take like no time at all. So if you're in a crunch and it's last second and you need to make some really cute Easter desserts for that Easter get together you're coming to, and they're saying, hey, everybody bring something, and you're like, oh God, I don't know what to bring, and you're in charge of desserts, I got you, girl. That was a lot. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I post just like lots of different random videos, craft videos, videos about my baby, some baking, cooking, recipe, cake videos every once in a while. So just hit the subscribe button so you can see next time I post a video. Who knows what it'll be. Stay tuned and you will see. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, because sometimes YouTube don't tell you. And also hit the like button if you like cake and cupcakes and everything. So today we're gonna of course do these cute cupcakes. They're Easter, they're cute, they're easy, they're simple, they're quick, and they're exactly what you need because they are delicious. So without further ado, without more ramble, without anything else, let's do this. Starting with a bowl, I'm just going to add my favorite cake mix. I'm a chocolate lover, so I'm going to make some devil's food. I'm going to set that aside right quick, and I'm going to prepare my pan with cupcake liners, because we're making cupcakes, friends. So I'm just going to fill up my little cupcake tin with cupcake liners, and then I'm going to fill this with the cake batter about 3/4 of the way full, you know, the way you do when you're making cupcakes. Bake them magically with the power of video magic, and then we are going to ice them. And again, I'm just using some Betty Crocker icing because your homegirl's on a time crunch. I'm literally taking a spoon because why not? And I'm just going to kind of lightly ice these cakes just to give it like a little base situation so you don't have like cake showing. Once you get all your cakes iced, I'm going to take a Ziploc baggie. Yes, you heard me, a Ziploc baggie. No fancy equipment needed here. This is just a fold-top sandwich bag. And then I'm going to fill it up. Maybe not full, but I'm going to put some frosting in it. Chocolate frosting, same as what we've been using because Mama loves the chocolate. So, once I get some frosting in this bag, which apparently is going to take me 1,000 years, speed it up, Ashley. Learn how to put frosting in a bag. Jesus. Okay, clearly I'm struggling. Okay. Alright. Struggling. Now that I finally have the frosting in a bag, I'm going to take some scissors. Kids, get your parents to do this. Don't play with scissors. Cut the tip off. Very small tip. So it's just a very small little circle. And then that is how we're going to ice it. I'm just going to take my cupcake and very messily, not very neatly, going to just pipe around in circles until it kind of creates a nest look. I'm kind of going to try to stay in the same general area. As you can see, I'm kind of building up in the same area, but I'm just kind of randomly doing it so it looks like twigs in a messy little nest. Once you have that done, we're going to do that to all of our cupcakes. So you're just going to, again, pick up your cupcake and nest it up. Take your icing and just messily plop it all on there. That's what I did. I just kind of was zooming all around, making it all crazy looking, but it kind of still worked because nests are messy. They're not perfect. And that's a lot of frosting, so it's going to be delicious. Now that I have all of my nests made, I'm going to put eggs in my nest because that's what's in nests, you know? Nests. Anyways. I got these double bubble eggs. You can use robin eggs. You can use speckled jelly beans. You can use whatever you want. I'm using double bubble eggs because it's just what I found at the store when I was looking for something that looked like eggs. I also really like the colors. Look. Ooh, pretty. So, I'm just going to take some of these little speckled looking bubblegum eggs and I'm just going to randomly place them in my nest like a really colorful bird came and laid pink and blue and yellow eggs because that's normal. So just put your little eggs in your nest however you want them, and that's pretty much it. You're done. You have the cutest little Easter cupcakes that are bound to impress people, and it literally was like super easy. that's it. That's how simple and easy these cupcakes were. They were delicious. I'm not gonna lie, I ate 4 last night. Hope you liked this video. I hope you liked how these cupcakes turned out. They're super cute, they're super sweet, and they're so easy. People will be like amazed at how cute these are if you bring these to a family get together, and you're just gonna be like, That's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you do, hit the thumbs up button if you thought this was pretty cool and you liked this video and you thought it looked tasty, because I thought it looked tasty. And hit the subscribe button if you've not already. Subscribe to my channel so you can see every time I upload a video. And that is it. I'll see you next week.